Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the heat gun from Hychika. This heat gun has a power of 1800 watts and it's going to allow us to do a lot of tasks in the house that we are going to see in few seconds. Watch until the end of the video because I'm going to post some discount codes that you will be able to use for purchase your Hychika tools on the website with a generous discount. Okay, it's time to do the unboxing. Here we have some attachments for the tip of the heat gun. We have here some attachments to focus the heat in a particular point and the one for the borders. And the heat gun itself and also distraction. Here we can control the heating power and here the fan power. If you want to get more technical, position 1 up to 400 degrees and position 2 up to 600 degrees. And for the fan, you can blow from 250 liters per minute and up to 500 liters per minute. The cable is 1.5 meters long. It's enough if we want to work in a table and we have the plug nearby, otherwise we will need an extender. We cannot see the picture behind, so we have to remove the label, and this is the first steps we are going to do. It's good as well to remove stickers or labels. It's difficult to remove this label here. It doesn't peel very easily, and if we try to do it like this, you see, let's turn it on, max power, and we will be adjusting. Heat gun 1, label 0. So when the label was complete, I was able to remove it perfectly. When the label was a bit scratched, it didn't came out that easy, but okay, it works for this purpose, to remove labels or stickers. Now we want to put these two cables together, and we are going to use this product that came with a solder, a metal that melts at 130 degrees. Let's see if the heat gun is capable of melting the metal in here and ring the cable. Okay, this worked. Is well soldered. I cannot remove it. Even I'm doing a lot of effort here. Okay, now let's get one on this plastic tube and put it here so it looks nice. Let's try now this attachment. One more. This time we will take it from here. Okay, we opened this box and now we want to close it. So we are going to use the machine again to close it. Ya está, ready? Okay, so for the moment it's passing all the tests. Now we are going to try something else. We have a pipe here and we are going to try to bend it. Well, let's take a look now. The pie is ready for the installation. Now let's put this one inside this one. Let's see if we can set on fire this towel. Well, not on fire, but it has destroyed. Okay, I have this quite old chair. Let's see if we can restore it a little bit. Let's see first how it's now. Okay. Look at this. This is horrible. When you just use it, it's difficult to remove the tip. Let's try with the gloves. No. Yeah, probably we will need to wait until it cools down. Okay, here we can see the result. The restore part, the old part, and I can touch. This took me about 5 to 10 minutes, and I can touch here right after heating this, so it doesn't get hot, the heat gun. Okay, I have these two pieces of plastic. I'm going to stick them with the hot glue, and then we will utilize the heat gun to remove the pieces, to split the pieces again. So we are going to wait now until it solidifies. Okay, we cannot remove the glue from here, so we are going to hit it with the heat gun, and then we will be able to split these two pieces. The heat gun has passed all the realistic tests that I have done. It worked from 5 to 10 minutes in a row. It doesn't get overheat or anything. For the price, you get a really good value for the price you pay. It's comfortable, it's not too heavy, and you can use it for a lot of things. Even more that I didn't explain. I'm sure there are multiple other functionality and things you can do with this tool. So for me, does it worth to buy this tool? Yes, of course, it's useful, you need it one. Okay, do you want to get a heat gun like this, or do you want to get any other Hychika product with discount? Then in that case, check the description of the video and you will find the instructions on how to get a good discount on the Hychika products. And by doing so, you will be helping the channel. I hope this video has been useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.